Everybody is panicking again. Wherever you look, mainstream media हो जाए या social media हो जाए, हर जगह इस particular virus के बारे में बात हो रही है. Outbreak, fear, disease, कहीं lockdown ना हो जाए. The same atmosphere, the same psychological tension that was created during COVID-19 times. Hantavirus, एक नया virus, and people are asking, what is really happening to this world? Wars, genocides, Epstein files, and now an outbreak of a new virus. Because whether people want to admit it or not, the world is changing rapidly. You know, there's a thing called biological warfare. Biological warfare is the use of bacteria, viruses, and toxins, or biological agents, to weaken populations, destabilize nations, create fear, destabilize economies, and psychologically break societies. इसी से लिंक करके एक और चीज़ आ जाती है जिसको हम कहते हैं बायोइंजीनियरिंग. Bioengineering manipulation है of biological systems using the very science and technology. Medicine में it can be used to create good vaccines for treatments, genetic research, disease prevention. But if it goes in the wrong hands, it already is in the wrong hands, it can be weaponized. And that is exactly what is happening today. So are we witnessing a new virus outbreak? Or are we witnessing a new form of warfare? You don't always need bombs to destroy societies or countries. Sometimes fear can do it, panic can do it, media can do it, economic collapse can do it, and psychological exhaustion can do it. इसी के साथ साथ सोशल मीडिया पे ये छोटी छोटी क्लिप्स ऑफ अ शो कॉल्ड सिम्पसन्स बहुत ट्रेंडिंग चल रही है.
This is General William Sullivan with an emergency message. Outbreak of the deadly Pandora virus is spreading rapidly.
For years, people online have claimed that this show predicts the future. Pandemics, deaths, assassinations, political events, global chaos, you name it, ये show पहले बता देता है. Let me burst your bubble right over here. This show does not predict the future. इस show का जो creator था ना, मर गया है, Matt Groening. He was mentioned in the Jeffrey Epstein files. और मैं अभी आपको एक छोटी सी बात बताना चाहती हूँ कि it is as simple as I'm about to tell you. There are two sides. One side is of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the other side is of shaitan. और ये जो सब कुछ है ना, this is the side of shaitan. जो तमाम दजाल के puppets हैं ना, for years, for centuries actually, they have been working on a particular timeline. Everything they do is on a particular timeline. They psychologically prepare the society or people before the event actually happens. All of these events are already curated, planned out, and then executed when it reaches that time. चाहे वो assassinations हों, चाहे वो untimely deaths हों, चाहे वो global chaos हों, चाहे वो virus outbreaks हों, because it's all a part of that दजाली plan. हमेशा मैं अपनी almost हर reel में ये चीज़ बोलती हूँ कि they have planned everything out for centuries. So this conditioning, this psychologically created fear, वो हमें कुछ भी चूरन बेचते हैं, चाहे वो Epstein files हो, चाहे वो Hanta virus हो, चाहे वो Simpsons का एक एपिसोड हो. हम सब ना सोशल मीडिया पे आके लगना शुरू हो जाते हैं, हो ये हो गया वो हो गया, एंड दे आर लाफिंग एट अस बिहाइंड द स्क्रीन्स. दे डिस्ट्रैक्ट अस फ्रॉम व्हाट दे आर एक्चुअली डूइंग बिहाइंड द सीन्स. क्योंकि जब आप फियर को नॉर्मलाइज करोगे, केओस को नॉर्मलाइज करोगे, कंट्रोल बिकम्स ईजियर.